We take you now live to the Forest of Feelings, where we join Swift-Heart Rabbit in her rabbit hole.
Hello, Tenderheart. My recipe for today is carrot and ginger salad.
That sounds delicious.
What do you mean it's delicious, you idiot? Are you stupid? Sorry.
See how it's done.
Righto, Tenderheart.
Great, Swift-Heart. Can you play that back in slow motion, please?
Righto, Tenderheart.
Here you see me peeling 3 carrots. Now I'm grating them. Next, I'm putting the carrots in a bowl. And now I'm squeezing the juice out of an orange. Here I am adding the juice to the carrots. Then I take a spoonful of mayonnaise. I put that in the bowl along with about half a box of seedless raisins. A dash of powdered ginger and a pinch of salt. Here you see me mix everything well. And top it off with a dollop of marmalade and a piece of candied ginger. Like so.
So.
Fantastic, Swift-Heart.
Could we see that again in normal?
No.
Righto, Grumpy.
Amazing.
Ta-da!
Thank you very much, Swift-Heart Rabbit.
Very welcome. Like some?
How did you...
Try it. You'll like it.
Not bad. Yum.